Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi that shows up and says no network. See, my Wi-Fi is here, but I can't go online at all. Even if I open Chrome and want to use YouTube, it doesn't say I'm online. Let's fix it step by step. First, search and open CMD as administrator. Step 1. Release old IP. Type this command. This drops the old IP address that might be stuck or conflicting. Think of it as clearing the old connection so we can start fresh. Step 2. Renew IP. Type this command with me. Now we request a new IP from the router. This gives the computer a proper address to communicate with the network again. Step 3. Reset network stack using WinSock. This resets Windows networking settings in case they got corrupted. It's like giving your network a fresh start. Step 4. Flush DNS cache. Type this command with me. This clears old website addresses from memory. Sometimes the computer remembers wrong ones, which prevents websites from loading. Step 5. Test the connection. Let's see if it says connected without saying no internet. Yep, it's good to go now. Let's browse websites to be sure. As you can see on my YouTube, it refreshed himself and it's working. No more Wi-Fi problems. And just like that, the Wi-Fi works perfectly again. Problem solved in just a few steps.